Welcome to the Astrophysics Variety Hour. I'm Felicia Day, and now here's the show where I put the me in astronomy.
Hello.
That's not me. Hold on. There I am!
Human, where did you come from?
The same place we all came from, Dronebot. Interstellar gas and dust.
Thank you. I did not actually mean...
Before our solar system existed, before there was the Earth, the Sun, and all the other planets, there was a massive amount of interstellar gas and dust. Interstellar means the empty space between all the stars that make up a galaxy. Inter between stellar stars. All the gas and dust was just drifting and floating around out there. Eventually, gravity pulled a lot of this gas and dust together. The massive cloud got increasingly hotter and denser until finally the gas ignited and became a star, which we later named the Sun.
We have a call from a viewer.
Hi, big fan. Are you saying that if enough gas gets together, it can ignite and shine like a star?
You bet your sweet holographic projector I am.
So if Dronebot releases enough gas, it can become a star?
Possibly, but it would need to be a lot of gas, like hundreds of thousands of times the mass of the Earth.
I don't think I have that much.
Anyway, after the Sun formed, there was still a lot of gas and dust left over in our solar system. A lot of that material formed everything else in the solar system, like planets, asteroids, and comets.
We have another call.
Hi, big fan. So the Earth is made out of the Sun's leftover scraps?
The Earth and everything on the Earth, including you and me. When I say we come from interstellar gas and dust, I meant that literally. Is this the only viewer watching right now?
I am uncertain.
It might seem strange to think that our entire solar system formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust, but it's not just us. Almost every star in the night sky is a distant sun, each formed out of drifting interstellar gas and dust.
The phrase gas and dust has been said 8 times.
There are billions and billions of stars out there in our galaxy, and amazingly, scientists think that most of them have exoplanets orbiting around them.
Hi, big fan. What's an exoplanet?
It's just a planet that formed around a different star that's not our sun.
Gotcha.
1 minute till the mime segment.
So, let's review. The Sun and the planets were formed by...
Gas and dust.
9 times.
That's right. And the stars are all basically other suns with their own planets called...
Exoplanets, because they're outside our solar system. Now, are most exoplanets awesome like the Earth or completely pointless like Neptune?
Neptune is the worst.
Well, some of the exoplanets may be a lot like the Earth or Neptune, but there's a lot more variety out there as well. Did you know that around one star, astronomers found a planet with non-stop planet-wide hurricane winds?
Paging Dorothy Gale.
30 seconds.
Oh, and that's not all. Imagine lava worlds, ocean worlds, planets orbiting 2 stars at the same time, and planets that are disintegrating while we're observing them. Oh, there's just so much out there we've only just begun to discover. This is why I like to say that exoplanets are exoplantastic.
You never say that.
That is cool. I see where you're coming from.
It's the same place you come from.
Interstellar gas and
dust.
10 times.
And now it's time for the Astrophysics Mime.